Oh my goodness, guys. Look, I've got a Hotel Chronicles. Just for my parents out there. Yeah, you heard me. One Hotel Chronicles just for my parents out there. Oh, just a few minutes ago, the fire alarms was set off here at the hotel. What? Yeah, you heard me. The fire alarms was set off here at the hotel. I don't know where they're going. I hope they're not coming here. One of our rooms, their child that is maybe 3 or 4 somehow managed to pull one of our fire alarms. Okay, yeah, they're going the other way. I know we silenced the alarms here and we reset it after we found out what happened. But, parents, please, at an early age, teach your kids that the fire alarms and stuff like that should not be pulled unless it is an emergency. Yeah, you heard me. Teach them that they are only to call 911, pull alarms and stuff only during an emergency. Because that right there, Lord have mercy, it scared me. I've had guests coming out of their room scared. It was chaos there for a few minutes. So, guys, please do that for me. Thanks.